Hello, Mr. Emric.
Hello.
I'm Kevin from SteviS.
Okay.
So nice to see you today. So we will have a short interview with you about some comments of our company.
Okay.
And the first question is, can you please briefly introduce your company and your main products?
Okay. First of all, welcome to Paktermo. And as Paktermo, we have been producing stainless steel flexible hoses and fittings more than 25 years. And our main products include the flexible hoses for the heat pumps, the sprinklers, solar systems, and gas applications.
Oh, wow, that's very wide range of
Yeah,
applications. So how did you weld before using our laser equipment?
Before switching to your laser system, we were welding our hoses using TIG welding system.
Oh, yes.
And by the way, we are really satisfied with your devices, the laser welding, because it's significantly improved our speed and consistency.
Yeah, thank you. So among many suppliers, why did you choose to cooperate with us?
We preferred your company because of your technical support and the fast response time and the stable product quality.
Thank you. And also, can you please comment on the price, quality, and service of our products?
Actually, the price-performance ratio is very good. We are satisfied with the welding quality and the stability of the machine, and we get good machine and we get good price.
Thank you. So, and is there any else you want to share with us or any suggestions?
Actually, I don't have any suggestion because everything is perfect. Like I said, we are really satisfied to work with your company.
Thank you. It is our honor to provide our service to you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.